Welcome to our deep dive into the future of Indian real estate through the lens of one of its most iconic giants, DLF Ltd. As we look toward 2026, DLF isn't just building structures, it is shaping the urban landscape of a new India. For investors and entrepreneurs, understanding DLF's trajectory is crucial because it serves as a bellwether for the luxury housing and premium commercial markets. With a legacy spanning over 7 decades, DLF is now pivoting toward a high-margin, asset-right model that aims to capitalize on the increasing purchasing power of the Indian middle and upper class. Today, we analyze how strategic land banks and financial discipline are positioning DLF for an explosive 2026. The Indian real estate sector is projected to contribute significantly to the national GDP by 2026. This growth is fueled by rapid urbanization and a shift from unorganized to organized players. DLF stands at the forefront of this transition. Government initiatives like RERA have cleared the field of smaller, unreliable developers, leaving giants like DLF with a massive market share. As India aims for a $5 trillion economy, the demand for high-quality residential and Grade A office spaces is skyrocketing. We are seeing a structural shift where home ownership is no longer just a necessity, but a preferred investment asset class among millennials and HNIs. Financial discipline is the cornerstone of DLF's 2026 outlook. The company has aggressively reduced its net debt, aiming for a near debt-free status for its residential business. Analysts project a significant jump in pre-sales, with targets hovering around 15,000 crore rupees annually. This is driven by high-velocity launches in Gurugram and beyond. By 2026, the EBITDA margins are expected to stabilize at a healthy 35%, thanks to premium pricing power and cost efficiencies. For an investor, these numbers represent not just stability, but the capacity for aggressive reinvestment into new high-yield projects and potential dividend increases. The soul of DLF's growth lies in its residential portfolio, specifically the luxury segment. The success of projects like the Arbor and the Camellias has proven that there is a deep appetite for ultra-luxury living in India. Looking toward 2026, DLF plans to launch over 30 million square feet of new residential space. These aren't just apartments, they are lifestyle ecosystems with world-class amenities. This pivot to luxury ensures higher realizations per square foot, insulating the company from the price sensitivity of the mid-market segment. By 2026, the contribution of luxury housing is expected to dominate DLF's residential revenue mix. While residential sales provide the cash, the rental business provides the consistency. DLF Cyber City Developers Ltd, DCCDL, a joint venture with GIC, is a powerhouse of recurring income. By 2026, DLF aims to expand its office and retail portfolio significantly. With the return-to-office trend solidifying and India becoming a global GCC hub, Grade A office demand is back. DLF's rental income is projected to cross the 5,000 crore mark by 2026. This stable cash flow allows the company to weather economic cycles and provides a valuation floor that few other developers can match. Their retail malls are also seeing record footfalls and consumption growth. Historically, DLF has been synonymous with Gurugram and the National Capital Region. However, the 2026 roadmap includes strategic diversification into other high-growth markets like Chennai, Chandigarh, and Tri-City areas. This expansion reduces regional risk and taps into the burgeoning wealth in India's Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. By replicating the DLF township model in new geographies, the company is looking to capture a broader investor base. Each new market is selected based on infrastructure growth, IT/industrial activity, and local demand for premium housing, ensuring that the DLF brand remains premium across the country. One of DLF's greatest competitive advantages is its massive, low-cost land bank, much of which was acquired decades ago. This allows for superior margins compared to peers who must buy land at today's peak prices. For 2026, the focus is on monetizing this land bank through rapid development cycles. The company is adopting advanced construction technologies like precast and modular systems to speed up delivery. Faster execution means quicker cash conversion cycles. By 2026, the goal is to reduce the time from project launch to handover by 15 to 20%, further boosting the internal rate of return for the company and its investors. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's a business imperative. By 2026, DLF aims to lead the industry in ESG, environmental, social, and governance standards. Their commercial buildings already boast LEED Platinum certifications, and their residential projects are increasingly incorporating green building materials, water recycling, and solar energy. For global investors, DLF's commitment to sustainability makes it a preferred green investment. The 2026 outlook includes a target to reduce carbon footprint across their managed portfolio by 25%. This focus on sustainability not only helps the environment, but also reduces long-term operational costs for tenants and homeowners. From an investment perspective, DLF offers a unique blend of growth and stability. By 2026, the company is expected to see a significant re-rating as its rental income grows and residential sales remain robust. However, investors must also monitor risks. Interest rate hikes could dampen housing demand, and regulatory changes can always impact timelines. That said, DLF's strong balance sheet and net debt-free goal provide a massive safety cushion. For those looking for 2026 wealth creation, the real estate sector, and DLF specifically, offers a hedge against inflation and a play on India's rising affluent class. As we conclude our 2026 outlook, it is clear that DLF Ltd is positioned for a transformative era. With a 15,000 crore sales target, a massive expansion in rental income, and a strategic pivot to the luxury market, the company is not just keeping pace with India's growth, it is leading it. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking for premium office space or an investor seeking long-term capital appreciation, DLF's 2026 roadmap offers a compelling narrative of resilience and ambition. The future of Indian real estate is vertical, sustainable, and premium, and DLF is the architect of that future. Thank you for joining us in this strategic analysis.